So let's get healthy. This is Nigerian hibiscus sorrel. You know, the jury is always out. Some people say hibiscus is different than sorrel. Some people said sorrel is different than hibiscus. Nevertheless, I find that it all turns out the same. This is Nigerian dried sorrel hibiscus. And the difference is that one comes from Nigeria and one comes from the Caribbean or Jamaica, which is what I really knew how to make first. But this time I'm making Nigerian Sogo, which contains a few different ingredients, just a few, like lemons. I substituted it for oranges because I didn't want it to have, it was already going to have like a tart taste. So instead of 4 lemons, I did 4 oranges. And I did pineapple and cinnamon sticks and ginger, of course, that's my favorite. And then we're going to add some cloves to it, which I haven't done. But right now I'm prepping to add some of the sorrel, because you always need to wash it good first and get off any debris that was there from harvesting and bringing it to where it is now. Make sure you always clean your vegetables and your fruit anytime that you're going to consume them, especially in teas and so forth. So this is just the prep time. I just wanted to show you a little bit of that and talk to you about what I'm doing. Okay, so we'll get back with you shortly. Bye-bye. So as we come back, I wanted to kind of give you a sneak preview of how everything is done. So I'm cutting up the oranges now. You can cut them any type of way you like, slices or cubes, or if you want to peel the rind. I put it all in because it has such beautiful health properties to it. You're going to notice that as we continue on the tutorial, that you'll see me pounding on, and then I don't know, maybe I didn't add that, but a lot of times I like to pound my ginger because it opens up the taste and just makes it, the taste just goes deeply into the food. That right there is what I'm putting in now is the hibiscus, the Nigerian hibiscus. And just going to pour that right over into the boiling water that's already on. What I have in the water right now is just basically water. I'm going to get a good boil going. Okay. And then what we're going to do, we're going to start adding a mixture of oranges. But I'm going to right now just taking kind of, I think I'm going to go ahead on and just kind of pound this ginger a bit. And like I said, what that does, it just opens up the flavor of that ginger root. Because you sure I could have peeled it, but then I would lose a lot of the goodness that's in the ginger when I do that. You know, this hibiscus ginger tonic, it's just a delightful concoction, and the tonic offers such a myriad of benefits that contribute to our overall well-being. And so this elixir, it blends good and it's just excellent. If you get hibiscus, it doesn't matter if you get it from Jamaica or Nigeria. Hibiscus is hibiscus. As a matter of fact, I've grown it in my backyard. What I'm going to do now is add some pineapple slices that I cut up. I also add the skins of the pineapple too, because whether you know it or not, those are very good. I'm going to add some crushed red pepper. And the red pepper, why am I adding the crushed red pepper? Because it is great for your metabolism. And so I'm just going to kind of go down and finish adding some more ginger, but I'm going to just kind of break this up before I put it in the pot. So I'm just showing you different variations of how you can incorporate this into your tonic. Either way, you're going to strain it when you're done anyway. So it doesn't matter if you crush it, break it, cut it, uh, however you want to incorporate it into your tonic. The results are going to be the same because what you want to do. I'm adding my cinnamon sticks. And usually what I do when I add the cinnamon sticks, um, I usually leave them in my jar once I'm done straining everything up. And I'm just going to add the rest of those orange slices. Now the original recipe for the Nigerian tonic, they use lemons, but I just didn't want to, so that's why I'm doing what I'm doing. Like if you decide you want to add sweetener or something, please don't add white sugar. Try and add raw sugar. You can add agave, just even fresh dates is better than that. But please don't take and destroy the goodness of this healthy product with white sugar. Okay, I don't know what's going on. So this is I don't know why this is acting like that. But anyway, those are the pineapple without being peeled and with ginger. And I'm putting it over on the pot. And I don't know why my computer is acting up now. But nevertheless, what we have here is ginger hibiscus tonic. Hope you enjoyed it. And just strain it and pour it into a cup. You can drink it as tea. You could drink it as a cold drink. But either way, enjoying it. Enjoy. Don't forget to like and subscribe.